हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं क्लास 9th की बी हाइव बुक से ऑन किलिंग अ ट्री। एक पोएम है, इट इज़ रिटन बाय जीव पटेल। एंड हम आज दो चीज़ें इस पोएम में से करेंगे। हम लोग देखेंगे यूजफुल एक्सप्रेशंस एंड द थीम ऑफ दिस पोएम। ओके, व्हाई हैव आई ब्रॉट useful expressions from this poem? Because you all know that from poem we have two or three types of questions, and one is extract based question. Okay, and the others are write the answers in 20 to 30 words, write the answers in 40 to 50 words. So these are the type of questions which come from any poem. Okay, so these useful expressions you can use, or you can see this video for the help when you will be solving the questions of extract based questions. Okay, so lines will be given, and the meaning of those lines will be asked to you. Okay, so here this video will be helpful for you. So I have written here some useful expressions for you, and later on we'll be seeing the theme of this poem. Okay, so let's get started. First expression is years of sunlight, air, water. And what does this expression mean? A tree consumes lots of sunlight, air, and water to become a completely grown tree. As you can see that this poem is based on the theme or on the topic of tree. So it is talked that tree consumes lots of sunlight, air, and water to become a completely grown tree. Now next expression is leprous hide. And what does it mean? It is discolored bark. Bark is a part of tree. Okay, now number 3 expression is anchoring earth. Anchoring earth means with the help of roots the earth hold the trees. Okay, anchor means to give help or to support something. So how the tree is grown? With the help of its root, which is hold tightly in the earth or under the levels of earth. Now expression number 4 is and the strength of the tree exposed. The strength of a tree lies in its roots. So to kill a tree, its roots are to be exposed to the sun for dryness. And now here in this poem we come to know that this poet tells us that what it takes to kill a tree. Okay, so how it can be exposed and how the strength of tree is there. So this line tells the strength of a tree lies in its roots. So to kill a tree, its roots are to be exposed to the sun, and until it gets dry, it will be dying. Okay, now next expression is scorching and choking. When the trees are uprooted, they dry up. And when somebody wants to kill the tree, wants to cut down the tree, they are uprooted and they get dry. Now next expression is browning, hardening, twisting, withering. These are the ways to cut a tree, to kill a tree. And now the poet has shown this expression here to tell when trees are uprooted and exposed to the sun, they become hardened, they become twisted and start decaying. So these are such words to show how a tree, when it is killed or it is cut down by any person, any human being, how it starts decaying. Okay, now next is the theme of this poem. So I hope you can see the theme. Few lines are written here as a theme. You can use the theme when any value based question comes from this poem. So and overall you can understand what is the thought process of Geive Patel, or the poet of this poem, in this poem. And what does he want to say? He wants to say, the poet considers the tree as a living organism. Okay, just like any human being, tree is also a living organism. According to the poet, it has the right to live like any other creatures. And it is a sarcasm on people, on human beings, because for their selfish reasons they cut the trees. And here poet wants to tell us that all the trees are also like other creatures, but the man is killing it with utmost cruelty and carelessness. He does not have any shame in doing all these deeds. This poem indirectly gives out a strong idea that trees are our lifeline. Okay, so trees are natural objects for us, and these are so helpful anywhere in our life, where we can see that uh, these are our lifelines, so they must not be killed. Trees are something pious, and pious means something which is related with religion. So in our religion also, we used to or we revere them, we give respect to trees. So something it is related with religious part of thing also. On killing a tree means what will happen to a tree after it is cut down. Okay, and although poet does not want any human being to cut down the tree, but he tells the step by step process what it takes to cut down a tree. Okay, so how it is grown, how it can be, how it is cut by people. So everything is shown in the poem. The poet hints towards rampant deforestation and humans' cruel acts and selfishness. And poet gives a hint towards the rampant uh, deforestation, because ultimately if trees are cut, so deforestation will take place. And it is about the, after all, it is about the humans cruelty and selfishness behind this uh, heinous crime. The tree is symbolic of a human being. And here this poet also says so that the trees are the symbolic of human beings. So initially also in the theme we saw that tree as a, he considers tree as a living organism. So you can understand how important trees are in our life, and people for their selfish and due to their cruelty they cut these trees. Okay, so I hope आपको ये यूजफुल एक्सप्रेशंस एंड थीम समझ में आई होगी, पोएम और ज़्यादा क्लियर हो गई होगी। एंड एक्सट्रैक्ट बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस जब होंगे तो आपको ये यूजफुल एक्सप्रेशंस उसके लिए यूजफुल रहेंगे, काम आएंगे। तो if you have liked this video, share it with your friends. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe it, so that for the next video, from the next video, you will be the one who will be getting notification of my videos. Okay, and in comment box you can write about anything in which you are facing any problem, any topic in which, on which you want me to make a new video. So you can tell me about that. And until we meet again, keep watching my videos. Till then, bye bye.